What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and we're out here at Copart in Las Vegas. I got a bonus video for you guys today with something that you don't see every day, not especially at Copart. So let's go take a look at this amazing little vehicle and see what the deal is with it. All right, the bonus vehicle is not this Audi S6, but I saw it here and I thought I had to show it to you. This S6, I know my dude Turbo TV would be all over this one, but she's smashed all in the sides. You know, the interior is covered in dust now. The rear is buckled over here. Yeah, she got slapped pretty hard. But that's not what we're here for. What we're here for today, guys, or what I'm here to show you guys today, is this beautiful ass McLaren right here. This is a McLaren, is it a 650S? I think that's what it is. Yeah, 650S Spider is what this is. This thing is absolutely clean, guys. And the loss type is unknown, which is weird. Very weird. And then there was like something else weird that I noticed about it too. It's got like broken glass sitting back here on the rear out of nowhere. So I don't know what the situation is with that. It might have came from a different vehicle. That's my guess. That would be my guess. You see, you got the McLaren brakes down here. She's clean. 325, 25, 20s, man. Jesus. Talk about a wide tire. You got the mirror down in here. Push button trans. It's all together for the most part. I really wonder what it was, and there's more glass here. I wonder if maybe the windows broke out. Yeah. Okay, now I see it. See the glass right here? So this window was broken out on this side. I wonder if it's a theft recovery. Maybe it was stolen. I don't see any damage like to the door or whatever. You know, I don't see any damage that would have broke the window. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't see anything that would have broke the window. Now I do see, oh, wait a minute. Somebody may have tried to put this back together. This is why it's so important. Do you see how the colors, these two yellows don't match? Y'all see that? So sometimes when you come to look at vehicles like this, you'll get people will buy these at auction and then like try to throw them together. They'll be really bad, but they'll piece them back together and run them back through to make a quick profit. And it happens. You can see this line. This doesn't line up at all. And you can see that it's been painted. The paint doesn't match. Look here. You see that? And it happens. People will put like new plastics on it. Like someone basically put a new fender on it, a new plastic on it, probably put another door on it. And that's why and then they're just running it back through the auction. And it happens. It happens. But this one's clean. I mean, outside of that, I mean, it's still a McLaren. It's still a 650S. I mean, what do you want? And I'm gonna be honest with you, I know nothing, not a damn thing about McLarens, outside of the fact that a friend of mine that had one had nothing but massive transmission problems with this car. So, you know, it is what it is, but definitely looks cool. I definitely like the lines and stuff of it. It's a beautiful car. But, yeah. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. And maybe, just maybe, once I get this thing inventoried appropriately and it's on the yard, when I come back this week, you guys will get to hear it run. All right, guys, that's going to do it for the bonus video for this week. If you like the video and you like what I do, let me know by smashing the thumbs up button. It greatly helps. Smash it like that truck is smashed right there. Smash it. That's how hard you need to smash it. Smash that thumbs up button. And yeah, maybe I'll show you some more exotics and some other stuff this week if that's what you guys want to see. But I got some dedicated videos for you guys coming: Mopar, Mustangs, BMWs, and the like, and all AMG video. Crazy. So anyways, thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate you guys tapping in with me on today's bonus video, and I will catch you guys on the next one.